good afternoon. We're here on Tuesday now. We're having some renovation here at the coffee shop at the mall. And look at the place. It's a total cheese. And I'll tell you. Right there. I was taught before, and this section was the little section before. And right here, in this area is a farmer section before. And I look at this. There's so much things to do right here. And here's the bachelor area. And right there is the bird section where I saw before. This is the bar. And look at that. It's all clean up. And so this is smoking area before. Look at this. It's closed now. And it's overlooking right there. And over Harlem right there. There's one. There's so much things to do right here. Yes. And this is all for the kitchen. Where we put together all items in here. Is that there? There's so much thing to do. We keep here. Not yet. Finish. Right away. It's right there on the other stuff. Okay. Thank you for watching. See you next time, Mora.
Sumali ka kaya ako umawak niyan.
Ay, bongga!
Ay!
Ano yun?
Bongga siya.
Video day. Sino?
Magic man na. Show
Ano
up.
yan?
Magic na siya, bay.
Ito maniha.
Siyempre, oh.
Saan ka magic?
Siya.
Ito na nga ay.
Siya sa game. Lock niya.
Feeling ko. Nagikan ka na siya sa charity if I know.
Pagkakuha ng signal. Alam ko ito siya.
Favorite din. Ay, ito, music siya sa mga lalaki.
Uy, okay.
Magic.
Wala lang. Hindi ko man yung ano to. Papakita ko lang naman to ni guys over. Lalo na to, oh. Sir, see this one? From Charity.
One model of the bag.
Charity, this one. This bag is from Charity. But then, look the inside, huh? We have to check, sir. See? Open. What's inside, huh?
No, the eggplant.
Too much yellow. Oh, very heavy, sir.
The egg and the plant.
Look at the face. Remember this face.
Babae yung nag-scan sa ano?
Sa?
MRT ba yun?
Wala pala akong panghilo.
Malayer. Ganyan yung bag. Malayer. Bastos talaga.
Hindi naman. Ay, rasa. Ito rasa ko
Ayun
na.
lang?
Oo. Burasak ko dyan.
Ayun. Ayun lang.
Bakit siya?
Kaya siya saan?
Hindi ka kayo.
Napangit din siya, te. Saan siya ganito pangit, te?
Hindi na babalik siya. Kasi hindi pa yun naglalag-out.
Ano nga yung bumalik siya lasing ko?
Sino kasama niya?
Yan lang, test na rin yun.
Ma, mag-ito 5 na to tomorrow.
Oo. 8 to 5, ma? Kami na po ng 1 to 10.
Yeah, 1 to 10 view.
Ay, ito pa na eh.
Kami na naman ang 1 to 10.
Hindi nga. Over.
Sila.
Saan na, ma? Ano gusto mo, ha?
Mga siga, oh.
May signal, guys. Tingnan.
Yung isa.
Sakyan yan dahil.
Lamang, last video mo na to, Mang. Mag-smile ka
Ito
dyan.
yung buhay namin ngayon sa haba-haba ng panahon.
Babae ang nagnakaw.
Uy, bubol. Ano ko? Bubol babae.
Hindi na siya siyang yolda.
Stress ka na.
Babae ba yan? Wala, usunod kayo sa Pinas ka na. Naglingkod lang ako, natigbasin sa ating gusto mo.
Grabe po. Nagingkod ka lang.
Daghan ang tigbasin mo. Samurai pa yun. Ay, pagsalita mo sa
Ihapon na silbo sa ko.
Liki pa gito ng Samsung. Char! Dahil siya pag
Uy, mang Louis Vuitton ba? Mang Louis Vuitton.
I don't have a Louis Vuitton. I have actual bag Louis Vuitton.
Ay, ma'am, palitan to ako ang Louis Vuitton na pang-laptop. Para pwede na ka. Diba?
We have renovation here in Coffeeshop, the mall. Thanks for watching. Bye.